Okay. Here we'll discuss with the first module in the additional mathematics 2. Okay, the first module is the linear algebra. Okay, in this linear algebra, in your syllabus we have the rank of the matrix by the row transformation. Okay, rank of the matrix by the row transformation. Row transformation means we have to simplify the matrix by using the row operations. Okay, we can add, subtract, and division. Okay, and multiplication, anything, whatever the operation we are applying, that we are applying only for the rows. Okay, so for this we can call it as a row transformation. Now the rank of the matrix, its definition is, let A be a non-zero matrix of the order m cross n. Okay, of the order n cross m. A positive integer r is said to be a rank of A, is denoted by the row of A it is. Okay, let A be a non-zero matrix. Non-zero matrix means it should contain the elements other than 0. Okay, then the number of that non-zero matrix are nothing but the rank of the matrix. The matrix of the order m into n. M is nothing but the number of row, n is nothing but the number of the columns. Okay, then multiplication of these two is nothing but the number of elements in the given matrix. Okay, then a positive integer r is said to be a rank of A. Okay, the rank will come in terms of the numbers. Then is positive by denoting by rank of the A it is, row using the symbol row of A it is. Okay, let me solve one problem on this rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix of the following matrix. Okay, in that first one is the given matrix is 2 1 3 5 4 2 1 3 8 4 7 13 8 4 minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, is in 4 into 4 order. Okay, 4 rows are there, 4 columns are there. Okay, in the solution, whatever the given matrix are there, that you write here, then better you can write here r1, r2, r3 and r4, means the row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. Okay, now our work is to make the diagonal element below the diagonal elements as a 0. Our work is to make the diagonal below diagonal elements are making to 0 now. Okay, for example, in this example, these 2 and 7 and minus 1 are the diagonal elements. Okay, now the below diagonal elements, which are 4 8 8 and 4 4 and minus 3, are the diagonal elements. Okay, now by using the row operation, this is the row operation. Okay, by using the row operation we should make these elements as a 0. Okay, in the first step, this is the first step. Now in the first step we have 4 here. Okay, this 4 we have to convert it into 0 by using the row transformation. There the row transformation is r2 minus of the 2 r1 we are using. Okay, it depend upon the number in the columns. Okay, so r2 is a 4 here, minus of the 2 into the r1. Okay, minus of 2 into r means 2, and this is r1. 2 into 2 is a 4 and this 4 minus 4 is 0 will come. Okay, so this 4 will become 0 in the next step. Okay, then the same this row, second row transformation we are applying in each and every elements in the r2. Okay, in this you apply and write the answer, which are 0, minus 5 and minus 7 will come. Means 2 minus of 2 into 1. Okay, only you use first row transformation. Okay, 2 minus of 2 into 1 is 0. then 1 minus of 2 into 3, okay, is a 6. So 6 minus 1 is the minus 5. Similarly, 3 minus of minus of 5 2 into 5 is minus 10, minus of 3 is minus 7. Okay, then the next step we are using here 8 is there. Okay, this 8 we have to convert that to 0 now. Okay, by using this R3 row transformation, R3 minus of 4R1. Okay, R3 minus of 4R1 means R3 is 8. Okay, minus of we are relating with a R1. Okay, 4 into the R1 is 8. So 8 minus 8 is a 0. That 0 you can write here. Similarly, for the next element, okay, 4 and 1, these two 4 and 1 are applying in R3 row. Then 7 and 3 we are applying in R3 transformation. 13 and 5 we are applying in R3, and write the answer in the next step in R3 row is 0, 0, minus 5 and minus 7 will come. Then in the fourth row also 8 is there. Okay, to make this element as a 0 we are using this row transformation, that is R4 minus of 4R1. This R4 shows on which row we are operating. Okay, then this is the operation. Okay, now after applying this formula in the R4 is a 0. Okay, 0, minus 15 and minus 21 will come. Okay, here we can observe this is the diagonal element. Below diagonal elements are coming to 0. Okay, but one more element, this minus 15 is there. Okay, this element also you should make that to 0 by using the row transformation. Okay, to that we are applying the formula is R3 as a R3 minus R2. Okay, second and the third row are same, so we can subtract it by to make that value to 0. Okay, R3 minus R2, this minus 5 minus of minus 5, that is 0. Minus 7 minus of the minus 7 is 0 again. Okay, so this third row will become 0, 0. All the elements will become 0 there. Okay, then R4 row, R4 is this one minus 15. R4 minus 3 R2 we are using. We are comparing with the row 3 now, row 2 now. Okay, so minus 15 minus of 3 into the minus 5 is again plus 15. After subtraction this will become 0. Then minus R4 is minus 21 minus of 3 into the minus 7. Okay, use this formula. Okay, this formula is minus 3 into 7 is 21. After subtraction this will become 0. Now we observed here first row and second row are the non-zeros, non-zero row, because of the element, the row which contains some numbers other than zeros. But in a third row and fourth row are there, no, these are the 0 rows because of there is no element other than 0. Okay, so that for that we can say the number of the non-zero rows are only 2 it is. Therefore the rank of the matrix A is equal to 2. Okay, this is the rank of the matrix using the row operation. Okay, so like this, the number of the non-zero rows in the last final matrix, okay, in the final result we are counting the number of the non-zero rows, that is nothing but the rank of the given matrix. 2 non-zero rows are there, so the rank of the matrix A is equal to 2 there. Okay, let me solve one more problem on this. Okay, the second problem is that find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 8, 1, 3, 10 and 14. Okay, now write it in a solution. The given matrix is nothing but the A, so A is equal to given matrix, you write. Okay, after that we are using the row operation. Okay, this is the row operation, R2, then R2 plus 2R1, R3 plus 3R1. Okay, R3 plus 3R1 it is. Okay, now here this is the diagonal element now, right? 1 minus 3 5 4 are the diagonal elements. Okay, we are converting the below diagonal elements as a 0. Minus 2 minus 3 1 2 0. Then we are making minus 4 minus 3 to 0. Then in the first step you make these 3 element to 0. In the second step make these 2 element to 0. In the third step this element make that to 0. Okay, now to make this minus 2 to 0, this minus 2 is in R2. Okay, that minus 2 is in R2 row, so we are using the R2 operation is R2 plus 2R1. Okay, the same transformation we are applying for each and every element in the second row. Okay, then the second row, in the second row we are getting the element as 0 1 7 and 10 it is. Okay, after that we are using the R3 row operation. Okay, is in minus 3 we are making that to 0. Minus 3 is in a third row, so minus 3